नमस्कार. आयज जावन आसा मदर्स डे. मदरहूड आनी आवयपण हें फक्त मनशाकूच लागना. भुरग्यांचें राखण करप आनी तांचें मोग करप हें आमी सगळ्या जनावरां मदें हें सगळें आमी पळयतात. ही सगळीं जनावरां, वेदर इट इज अ स्पॅरो or whether it is a whale in the sea, they all look after their babies and they protect and love their babies. So today we are remembering, we have gathered here today, Ami Jama Zalat, all the forgotten mothers who are never thought about because they are considered as commodities, they are considered as property and they are forgotten. So these mothers, we want to commemorate them today, we want to remember them today. Tansa ugudas kartat. Those mothers, especially these mothers are not given to express their natural behaviors. So in the dairy industry, if you see, there are mothers, as soon as they come of age, this is equivalent to a 10 or 12-year-old girl who gets a period for the first time. So among animals, as soon as they come of age, they are immediately impregnated. आता 9 महिन्यां ती प्रेग्नंट असतात आणि as soon as the baby is born, भुरग्याक जल्माक येतकूच ताका ताच्या मम्मीक आणि ताच्या भुरग्याक ते आमी लोक सेपरेट करतात. कित्याक आमकां तांचें दूध जाय म्हणून. आतां तुमकां खबर आसा की when every mother gives milk only when they are pregnant and when their new baby is born. There is no other reason why a mother gives milk. So in the dairy industry, the first nutritious and dense milk which is come, it is called colostrum. And that she makes especially for the baby who has just come out of her womb, who is suddenly stressed with all these lights and noise and all, and just to look after the baby, the mother gives colostrum. But मनीस कितें करतात, ते colostrum जे आसा आमी ते काडून आईस्क्रीम करतात वा खोवा करपाक. There is another dish called pos in Goa that we make. So imagine just whatever was made for that poor child that has just come in this world, that we are stealing. Even I want to talk about the mothers who are stuck in the egg industry. तुम्ही पळयली आसतली कोंबड्यो जी आसात, in their natural lives they give only about 10 to 15 eggs. पूण egg इंडस्ट्रीयान तांकां परत all the time तांकां artificial insemination करून about 300 eggs they are made to produce. So it is done in such a bad way. तांकां बॅटरी केजीसान दवरतात आनी तांकां तांचे बागता सुद्दां अशें फ्री अशें फुलोवपाक मेळना. And they are all their cages and all, it smells of ammonia. Ammonia brings tears. So in those kind of conditions they are kept. कित्याक आमकां अशें तांचे तांती करपाक जाय. So imagine this is such a beautiful bond of a mother and child. आमी हे दुडवाक लागून, पयशांक लागून हे धंदो करून उडयला of the mother. So that is why we want to bring this to the notice of people. Imagine being a mother cow, and if it is a male calf is useless to the dairy industry. ताका इंडियान तरी अशें कातरपाक धाडटात रोखडेच वा ताका अशें बांदून मारतात. They are just left to die. So if you are a mother cow and you can see the child dying right in front of you, पूण तुका अशें बोंदी दवरला, तुका बांदून दवरला, and you can't do anything. So understand the helplessness. So we want this. We are addressing this to all who love their mothers, all the human beings who love their mothers, and all those people who are mothers, all the human beings who are mothers. You understand this, you know how you feel towards your children. So we are depicting here, we have a mother who is kept tied far away from a child, and just keep yourselves in the same position wherever it is, whether it is in the zoos, whether it is in the laboratories, where you can तांचे किडच्यो, तांचे दुकां कोणूच पडयनात, तांकां कोणूच तांचे जे आसात, all the injustice that is happening, nobody is talking about that. So we want to bring to you all these mothers who you can see their tears, and maybe you're like ignoring their cries, but it's time we can stop all this, because we don't need. आमी calcium म्हणटात आणि protein म्हणटात, but ragi milk has more calcium, iron and fiber than a cow's milk. So there are many different ways that human beings can adapt and look after our nutrition, and we don't need to do this. Is all unnecessary. When आमी जेन्ना जनावरांचो शोषण करता, it is very bad. So we are from Goa Animal Liberation Movement, and we have come to give this awareness to everybody who will walk around here, and also to everybody who will watch this footage, to have some compassion towards these mothers who cannot come directly to you, but their babies are taken away from them. तांच्या मुखार, आवयच्या मुखार भुरग्यांक मारतात, भुरग्यां मुखार आवयक मारतात, कित्याक लोकांक तांचे मांस खावपाक जाय. So this is all exploitation, this is all shoshan, and you please be in their position and look at it from their perspective. त्यांच्या दृष्टिकोनान तुम्ही पळया. So this is our only request.
सवाल क्वेश्चन
So the biggest cause, you know what is the cause of why these cows are on the street? They are first of all forcefully impregnated. And when the boys are born, तुम्ही आता पळयल्या सगळे पाड्या असतले. Most of them will be पाड्या. So what the farmers do is they just let the boys, the पाड्या, out on the street. So the biggest cause is dairy. So when you're paying for to buy the milk, you are paying for हे सगळे जे रस्त्याचेर आसात, हे दुधाक लागूनच रस्त्याचेर आसात. So when you stop paying for these industries, हे सगळे दुसरे प्रॉब्लेम जे आसात ते सुद्धा बंद जातात. And आम्ही असे म्हणतात की पाडे आसात, गोरवां आसात आणि कुत्रे आसात. That is all because of garbage. That is another whole topic that we can discuss some other day. But it is people's habit throwing garbage and providing all these kind of foods to these animals. That is why poor thing they come and they resort to eating all that. And we have done so much development that all of their pastures have disappeared now. So they have to rely on plastic. And that is what is happening. That is the reality of what is happening today to all these animals.
So today, what is your appeal and to whom are you appealing this?
I am appealing this to all the human beings who are paying for the exploitation of these animals by buying milk, by wearing leather, by paying for products that are tested on animals. You know, anything, wherever there are animals who are exploited, whether they are in the sea, whether they are in the sky, this is all unnecessary. There are many alternatives that all of us can use. So, and they are not here to be used by us. They are here with us on this planet. So if you see, 80% of animals on the planet are farmed animals. The wildlife is slowly decreasing. It's become to 20%. And this is all because we are artificially inseminating and producing them again and again and again. You know, and all the resources, the water resources, the land resources, we are depleting everything. But today we want to especially focus on all the female mothers who are exploited so badly in all these industries. And nobody is there to hear their cries, and nobody is there to hear their screams. It all happens behind closed doors, and we want to bring this reality and just for people to open their minds that this also happens, and you can change this. You have the power to change this. If you stop paying for all these products, slowly this will also stop. This exploitation will stop.
Is there any awareness